on the mad thing. Y'all boys send me on the mad thing. Y'all boys just send me on the mad thing. Baby on the mad thing.
Okay, so welcome back. You've joined me nearly a week later. Basically life's got in the way. It's almost seeming like a job, one job too far. Job that I can do, but it's just the effort to put into actually doing it is lacking a bit. Right, let's show you where we're at right now. First off, anyone watching this will notice it may look a bit different. Basically, I was filming on a GoPro, the battery keeps dying. I'm gonna run out of daylight soon. I ain't got time to charge it and blah blah blah. So, memory card's in my phone, and yeah, let's crack on. So the stage we're at right now is I've cut a length of wire, stripped it, got the metal bits out. It's gonna be so difficult to film. What I'm gonna do is hook up these holes here. Don't know if you can see them, but I'm gonna hook up the wires from here to this, solder it on. Then it's a case of simply finding the ones in the back around here, hook it on there, put it in the slot. Job's a good one. Issues we got right now is that I don't know which one is positive, which is negative. Black should be negative in the car because it's old. Red positive, black negative. Looked at wiring diagrams online. It says black should be live. I've got black and I've got blue. Blue should apparently be negative, but according to online it's live. So it's going to be trial and error. We're running out of light a bit. My battery's going to die. I don't know how much I'm going to film, but I will get back to you soon. Hello, so welcome back again. This is all this video seems to be, is videos of me just saying welcome back. And okay, anyway, we're over a week, pretty much close to 2 weeks into when we started this. So what happened was the wire I cut for the USB, which is this wire, was too short. Had to then cut a longer wire. So I've done that, and today I've just soldered it all together. Onto the next step. So the next step we're going to do is literally a case of it needs to be threaded through, soldered on. So simple, so quick. Will I do it? Who knows? We've got an hour of daylight left. It's getting dark already, although the sun is still somewhere out there. So we've got an hour of daylight. What I need to do, lift all this here, lift all this back up, and then put the thing in there, go through underneath, and the wire will connect to the back of here. So let's get that done. Alright, well, as always, apologies for the mess. It's tip. So I've got it all up. Now what I need to do is get the USB to there. Make sure it's the right way around. Yep. Put that in. Here's the wires, and I'm not going to go through it, but I've done it already, the positive and negative. I just need to put it in there and then solder it into place. I'll probably do that off camera because I do need both hands, so I'm going to do that right now before I waste any more time. Okay, so after a lot of faffing about, it turns out it's not so easy to solder it because the gaps are so small. I've literally just wedged the wire in, bit of a tug, it's not coming out, so it should hold. It should. I've had to splice the wire a bit more just to give the two sides a bit more room. But that appears to be it. Now, just get this back down. hopefully we don't strain the wire and it will stay in. And then it's a case of literally just putting everything back together, and job's a good one. So what I need to do now is just test it out. Hook up the battery. Key in the ignition. Alright. It should be on. When the lights come on, this should come on. So hopefully 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Now, just got to put it all back together.
That boy sent me on a mad thing. That boy just sent me on a mad thing.
I finally have my USB. And it's something I wanted to do for a while. It's done. I don't know, I tried to film as much as I can, be as informative as I can, but you know, the setup I've got, you know, the lack of space, the lack of a proper camera and stuff, and just dealing with what I've got, I've managed to do the best I can. Hopefully it's informative enough. I've tried to film as much as I can. I can't really see right now, so I don't know what expression is on my face. One thing left to do. Let's try it out and make sure it works. Okay, so keys in, ignition on, lights on. 1, 2, 3. It's bright, you can't really see, but there you go, it's on. So I'm just gonna take off this cover. Oh, it looks so good in here. It's harder to see. I'll do another one. Quickly, let me just throw that in. This is what I was just on about. This is with the light off, so you can see it's very effective. It's very bright. Yeah, I've noticed it's blue and this is red. This is going to get changed anyway. I'm going to put a blue bulb in here, so all this is going to be blue. As you can see, the dash naturally is blue, so it's all going to be blue. Car's blue, lights are blue. Come on, everything is blue. Right, let's get back to what I was saying. Okay, so USB. It's got power, but will it charge? So here we go, moment of truth. And look at that. Focus. It is actually charging. Wow. Basically, that's it. Everything's done. You know, I'm happy it's done. My USB's done. Job's a good one. Most important thing there. I'm going to be looking soon to get some blue lights all around here. As you can see, blue here, and here. So hopefully, if anyone like that, they want to do it, it's informative enough. And yeah, hope I've gave you enough information. It's not the easiest thing to do. Not everyone's going to be filming it, but if you're doing it, you know, it's a bit fiddly with the wires and stuff, but it is a pretty simple job to do. The hardest part for me was probably just taking things apart, because you've got to put it back. I haven't put it back together yet. I want to give it a few days to run in, make sure it's all fine, charging, working, and then lock it away. If I do all that now, I've got to then take it apart, and it's a nightmare. So I'm going to leave it for a day or two, then we're going to put the car back together. So if you like it, I don't know, comment, like, whatever, I don't know. But anyway, until next time, job's a good one. See you then. Bye bye.